What motherboard should I buy for my PC gaming build? Are you standing at the crossroads of your PC gaming build, wondering which motherboard will be the best fit? Let's break down the key factors to help you make an informed choice. First off, the motherboard needs to match your central processing unit socket and chipset. If you are going with an Intel build in 2025, look for motherboards featuring the Z790 or Z890 chipsets. These will support the latest Intel Core i9 and i7 processors. For those leaning towards AMD, the AM5 socket motherboards with chipsets like X670E, B650, or B850 are the way to go for Ryzen 7000 and 9000 series CPUs. Next, let's talk about features that impact gaming performance and system stability. A strong voltage regulator module design with effective cooling is vital for stable overclocking and high-performance CPUs. High-end options like the Asus ROG Strix Z790E or the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk are excellent choices with robust VRM setups. Memory support is another important aspect. Aim for motherboards that support DDR5 random access memory for improved speeds and future-proofing. Most gaming motherboards now support DDR5, but some budget-friendly options still offer DDR for support. When it comes to expansion slots and storage, having multiple PCIe 5.0 slots for graphics cards and M.2 slots for NVMe solid-state drives is essential. High-end boards often provide 3.2 for M.2 slots, allowing for fast storage and GPU upgrades. Connectivity features are also worth considering. Integrated Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, along with multiple USB ports, including USB-C, will enhance your networking and peripheral connections. Ethernet ports with 2.5 gigabit Ethernet or higher are beneficial for stable wired connections. Do not overlook the BIOS and overclocking features. A reliable BIOS with user-friendly overclocking options, like AI overclocking and precision boost overdrive on AMD boards, can help you fine-tune your performance. Aesthetics and build quality may not directly impact performance, but many gamers appreciate motherboards with RGB lighting, sleek heatsink designs, and integrated input-output shields for a polished look. For example, if you are building with an Intel i9 for 900 degrees Kelvin and an NVIDIA RTX 4084 for degrees Kelvin gaming, consider the Asus ROG Strix Z790E Gaming Wi-Fi Roman 2. It offers excellent VRM cooling, multiple M.2 slots, Wi-Fi 6E, and a solid BIOS for overclocking. On the AMD side, the Asus ROG Strix B650A Gaming Wi-Fi or MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi are great options, providing strong power delivery, PCIe 5.0 support, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Budget is also a key factor. B650 or B850 chipset boards offer good mid-range options with many features needed for gaming. On the other hand, X670E or X870E boards are premium choices with extra connectivity and power features. In summary, choose a motherboard that matches your CPU socket, supports DDR5 RAM, has strong VRM and cooling for overclocking, offers multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots, includes modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, and fits your budget. This will ensure a stable and high-performance foundation for your PC gaming build.